Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn website terminologies and how to make your website, how to book domain name and hosting. So let's start. The first terminology is domain name. Domain name is the actual name of your business on internet. For example, flipkart.com, robodigitalmarketing.com, jatinbindal.com or apple.com. Apple.com is the domain name of Apple, the Apple organization. So in this way this is known as domain name. Second is extension. Extension is the last part of your domain name. Like in the previous example, you have seen over here all the domains like flipkart.com, robodigitalmarketing.com, jatinbindal.com or apple.com. All are in this, all of them have a same extension, that is .com. Apart from .com, we have other extensions as well, like .in, .net, .co, .gov, .edu, and apart from that there are thousands of it, like .me, .technology, .institute and others. Next, how to book your own domain, how you can register your own domain. For that, click on the link provided in the PPT, that is godaddy.com, and then you search your domain name. But whenever you are searching for a domain name, just keep one thing in mind, that domain name should be very short. Second, it should be related to your business. So these two things if you keep in mind, then you will get a good domain name. Like I'm opening a digital marketing service company, so I want to register a domain. So what I will search, I will search digital marketing. I'm expecting I should buy a digitalmarketing.com, but when I search, you see it is already taken. Like this, whichever industry you go in, you will find all the majority of the domain names are bought by someone else. So how to find your own domain, how to find a domain which is easy to read, easy to type, and which should be short. So there is an website which can help you in doing that, like Lean Domain Search is a website which can help you to search your domain related to your business. Like I am looking for a website related to digital marketing or a domain related to digital marketing. I type digital marketing into it and search. So it will give me various combinations of it. So you can use the filters, length according to that. Like I arrange all of them according to length. Then I can arrange with starting with digital marketing, like digital marketing DR, digital marketing boy. For me as an individual, it would be good. Digital marketing ask, anything, digital marketing fan. Click on it, you will find all the domains which are shown in the list are available. You can buy all of them. So here is the list you look at. So you will surely find a good domain for your business. Like I am looking for some coffee business, so I typed coffee over here and then search it, coffee, according to the length, and then starting with coffee, coffee epic, last coffee last, bad coffee, coffee over, coffee draft, or end with coffee. That could be in out coffee, Lance coffee, March coffee, on air coffee, phase coffee, lasso coffee. You have hundreds of options, whichever you feel comfortable with or you feel good with, you can choose. Like venue coffee, that is one of the name which you might not able to think it, but this tool can give you so huge amount of suggestions. So whenever you find this tool, just copy that domain name over here and search it over here, venuecoffee.com. Now look at this is available. Then add to cart, then continue to cart. So I'm showing you the process. Now what? Now you will see a lot of options. So what you have to do is, you don't buy anything from here, like privacy, no thanks. Web hosting do not include. Website builder do not include. Anything you do not include from here. Then continue with these options. Okay, now here it is showing for 1000 something. Then select for 1 year. Then it will be some 702 rupees. Do not give them this much amount. So how to buy at cheapest cost? Okay, I'm giving you one method through which you can buy it. Okay, so how to do that? Open incognito window, then go on google.com or google.co.in or whichever country you are in. Then type cheap domain name, and then select GoDaddy. Like I'm in India, so it's showing me in rupees. I typed venuecoffee.com, the same domain. Look at this. I'm searching the same domain at just 99 rupees. I continue to cart. Again, you have to buy it for 1 year. Look at this. The pricing is just 127 rupees. So this is the best way you can save your 500 rupees, or in other countries depends upon the currency type. And then proceed to checkout, and then you have to sign up or create an account. You create an account, everything you fill up, and ultimately make the payment through your credit card, debit card, or wallets. So this is how to buy